normal discard battery. You know this game.
You had to factory reset your PC.
Yeah, factory reset. Why is it always that, bro? Come on. Lost everything.
I feel like I'm getting more consistent with every day. You know, the first day I flew to 43 from 27. And then I got like 8 drop attempts in 30 minutes. And then the next day I got 49, 50, 60, and 61 in one day. And we'll see what happens today. Oh, I forgot I added a mirror portal there. Yeah, to replicate the old Hailstorm Ultimate, I added a mirror portal there.
Okay, buddy. Wow. Oh boy. Oh, come on.
Ooh. You know what? Oh, how about like... Forget the mirror portals. I'm actually just not gonna do that.
Like, all my botting is all gone.
No. Crimson Clutter, Fairy Dust, Jawbreaker. Is today the day where I talk about the canned water buff?
What?
I got canned water.
Bro, Yuli, my computer tried opening Steam 5 times.
Get out. Anyway, canned water is a very good buff.
Oh, yo, dude! All my nongs, they're gone!
No.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh, good.
I'm just kidding, it's fine actually. 'Cause I still have the songs in my files, it's just that I need jukebox again.
Oh, yeah. Are you logged in?
Yeah, I'm logged in, alright.
Yay. Factory reset.
And so, too many mods, blah blah blah.
Get out.
Oh my god, I freed
That was
0.1 gigabyte of RAM.
Tired.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I actually saved like 1 gigabyte of RAM. That's tough.
Yay, congratulations.
Oh yeah, by the way, I reinstalled the QLL thingamajiggy and the GDH.
Epic.
That's tough.
Yeah.
Then get out. I got some old TNT.
No, 14, 15. Raw. So, how's it going?
Great, actually. I installed Jukebox.
Yeah. Wait, why'd you have to factor? Oh, because the screen was flickering. Yeah.
Wow, I can find. What's the
Why was it flickering?
Wow. Dude, all my songs, they've been deleted. Like no more song history. It's like all gone.
No, why was the screen flickering?
I don't know. It's because I was botting a level and then the literal pause screen was pasted onto my screen. Pasted. Like, slathered all over it. Now it's in a negative.
What the heck?
I'm about to tweet because of that, bro. Like,
I just got more land from the metaverse.
Get.
Drop attempt.
Oh yeah, by the way, I now have a diamond grandmaster because why not?
No, 20. Oh. The click is. I died at 26.95. Mission. Get a new best. I feel tired. I don't know.
Because you are tired.
I am. Get out.
Wow, who knew, man? Oh, because you are tired. Whoa! Yes!
No.
Kill yourself.
No.
Also, don't worry. I have all my cookies still intact, which means all my circuitry is completely fine. Yay!
Epic. Epic.
Can you please kill yourself? Huh?
Oh my god.
I shall not let, oh,
Dude. I don't know. The position where I'm pressing my spacebar feels. Here, let me play with up arrow just for like one attempt. Let's go. I got to the ship with up arrow. I almost died to the triple spikes twice. I just got to the drop with up arrow. Okay, now I'm switching to spacebar. That's cheating. I don't care. No, it's not. Kill it.
Are you sure?
Dash orb click.
Are you sure?
I am.
Are you sure?
I am.
Are you sure?
Okay, shut up.
Are you sure?
Okay, actually, shut up.
Are you
I'm at the
sure?
break part. Be quiet.
Okay.
I thought it was upside down. No, I had 40. I died at 49 again. Oh my god.
That's so sad.
That's wait. How about that's 3.
Bobby.
Okay, look.
Yeah, I'm looking. The hell do you mean?
I got to drop with up arrow though. That was cool.
Wait. Oh wait, you got 61%.
Yeah. Here, let me try with up arrow again.
Okay. Oh boy, I cannot wait to read.
I got to the ship with up arrow.
I'm gonna love my life now. Ah! I'm about to officially freak the hell out.
I got to drop with up arrow again. What the heck? Switching to spacebar. No, that was too early. I'm not switching to up arrow. You can't make me. No matter how many times I get to the drop with up arrow, no. How am I playing with a MacBook up arrow? They're so tiny. Yeah, we're not playing with up arrow anymore. I'm done. I just cannot. Hello, good old spacebar friend. How you doing? Oh, ow! I just got more land in the metaverse. I think it's safe to say that I'm at 1,000 attempts now. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, buddy.
I mean, 0% times 511. No.
Okay, buddy.
Shh.
Yeah, okay.
Quiet. Shut up. It's not funny. Don't play your little didum sound effect.
I might do that. Your mom. Yeah,
Just got more land in the metaverse. Drop a tat.
What happened?
Sucker in circles unnerved. Got land in the metaverse. Get out.
No.
That didn't happen.
What happened?
I sneezed. That's what happened. No, that's a what?
After sneeze.
Shimmy. I just remembered I have 61%.
Are you sure?
That's half of the level complete.
Man, kill yourself.
Okay. Oh wait, I got 61%. I did 57 to 89, and I did 89 to 100, so I have the level in 3 runs. That's not as good as Crimson Clutter in 2 runs, but whatever. I could do 61 to 100. I won't though, because that's wasting time. Drop temp. Lock in. Dash up click. Insane oh! Look at that!
Oh my god, what happened, man? Ah!
Oh, that's so sad.
Ah!
Where is that? I don't even know where I just died. 44. Okay. Okay. Lesson learned. Don't talk when you're past 40% in Hailstorm Ultimate. So I've gotten to the break part twice in... Okay. I might actually be insane. I'm getting way more consistent at the part right after the first wave. That was like originally like hard for me.
Epic sauce.
That's epic.
Epic sauce.
Which means I'll absolutely beat it this week. I just need to get consistent. The second half. No, attempt 67.
Okay, but
I better not get to the drop on attempt 67 or I'll die. I just so happened to like eyeball the attempt counter as soon as it reached 67, that's amazing. Okay, good waste of it. Okay, no, that's not good. No, 69. No, I did a little better. I want to get second half again. I've only gotten to the second half twice, which is actually good. Considering I have to beat like a hard demon every time I want to get there. No! Yeah, the first half of this level, like the buffed extended Hailstorm Rebirth is like a hard demon. So I have to beat a hard demon every time I get to second half. The second half is what makes this level an insane demon. A really hard one, in fact. Drop temp. No, I thought I was dead.
bro, you jiggling.
I hate the pink orb click. Like no, it's a connected timing. I should probably fix that. Yeah. No, I don't know. If I die there again, I'll fix it. No, I died to a triple spike. That's so sad. Stop. No. Dude! I feel like my voice is deeper than usual.
Yes, because you're getting older.
No, it's because I'm tired. Whoa.
Whoa.
What do you mean it's because I'm older? What, by 5 days? That did not. Nope. No. What? Stop. Don't.
Ah.
Dumbly death, bro.
Get out.
A little bugly death. You know, a bugly death is when a bug happened, you know? You know what I mean? That was just a plain old dumbly death. Drop temp. Dash or click. Well, I have not died to the dash or click yet, and I've gone there 3 times. Let's go. No! Look at that!
Bro, what? Ain't no way.
Dude!
Yeah.
I died at 49 again, but I died at 49.72% this time, so it's technically higher.
Click at this point. Just nerf the click.
I already nerfed the click, it's so easy!
How nerfed is it though?
Very nerfed.
Like ultra and mega?
I moved the chomper down. That used to be a really awkward click. I don't know what happened there. I can't, that's a death I can't explain. I don't know. Bad. There. Peter explains the joke. Peter explains to death. No! I died to a triple.
Oh, baby, a triple.
Oh, baby, this level is 3 whole triples. That's insane. 3 triples? That's perfect. Drop 10. Let's go. Okay, yeah, I'm nerfing that. I don't know what causes that to happen. Wow, it's been 21 minutes and I've had like 8 drop attempts. That's better. That's cool. I am more consistent. That's good to know that I'm not losing everything. Okay, so you see this little guy right here? Bye. He's banned. Yep, you're banned.
Okay, you're officially going in Discord.
Yep, you're banned. No, it's because it was a bug, so I had to nerf it. Yeah. It's what I like to call connected timings, when you click something too early or too late, and then you die 3 clicks later because of that, and that's just no fun at all. So nerfed it. I sound really tired right now. That's nice. Wow, okay, 2 drop attempts in a row? What? No, what? I keep dying like that. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm looking, bro.
That's the 3rd time I've died like that. I keep hitting too late. I got 2 drop attempts in a row though. That's actually insane. Am I gonna get 3 drop attempts in a row? I don't know. Three drop attempts in a row?
Really?
1 sec.
I gotta go, man.
Okay, wait. 3 drop attempts in a row, though.
I know, dude. That's
No!
absolutely insane, bro.
I dashed.
Bye, Yuli.
Goodbye.
Match your end up.
What? 4 in a row? Oh, dude. Oh, okay. That was cool, yeah. You got Poison Guardian and Diamond. Wait, what? Oh, is that from a path?
No.
Wait, what?
Not that rich, dude.
Anyway.
I'm broke in mana art, man. What did you expect?
Yeah, I got 4 drop attempts in a row, by the way, earlier.
Ooh, that's good for you, man. Epic saucer.
Good for you, man.
Huh?
Epic.
Your mom. Yeah.
That's so funny. Man.
Yay! I finished rebotting stuff now.
Yay, drop attempt.
Okay, cool, you epic saucer. Absolute so.
What was that? What was that?
Oh man, that's so.
Yeah, I don't know why I clicked there.
mean, I ate. Huh? Yeah, man. Yeah, Did you hear anything?
I didn't understand anything. 2 drop attempts in a row.
Yes, you heard it. You heard an ancient language right there.
Dash rope click. No! Okay, that's the first time I died at the dash rope click today. 2 drop attempts in a row. I don't know why, but my consistency today is just so good. First 4 drops attempts in a row, and now 2. That's cool. That's cool, yeah. I will very likely beat this level this week. I'm gonna attempt 11. Drop attempt. Guess how I died again. Okay, I'm suddenly really bad. Dude, what's... Okay, 9%. How many times have I died at 9%? 15 times. And I'm sure a lot of those have been from skipping that blue orb. I don't even know how I'm doing that, but it needs to stop now.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am! Just want to get to the second half, please.
And it goes like this.
Like, what's 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10.
What?
10, 10, 10. Drop attempt.
Oh yeah, Vector, let's go. Are you sure?
No, I had a feeling I would die there. At the wave gap. No, why'd I press R? I'm gonna kill him. It's okay. It's okay.
Yo, mom.
Ooh. That's a good one. Kill. Dude, how. Connected timings, bro. No, dude. Let me to the ship part, please.
But you
Drop
have to do a
attempt.
frame perfect on the black orb part where you press the the blue over the pad with the black orb. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, I buffered the dash orb.
Yeah.
Radiate 88.
No.
Is he okay?
No. Somebody help.
I don't know. Not even Hailfire is a drop attempt.
Yeah, no, because oh wait, no, it's for a level. When you don't have a level, you can download the knock that they have.
Wait, what happened there?
What happened?
No, wait, actually, what happened there? I didn't press anything.
Let me see it.
No, don't tell me even the blue pad is bugged.
What? What, huh? PP trap. Well.
PP trap. I don't know what it's called. It's not even. I don't know why it has travel in the name. It's not a travel level, bro. You can't.
Travel like.
You can't call your level something travel, bro. Travel levels are 5 minutes long. Drop attempt, first attempt, what? No, dude. Okay, drop attempt. That was so dumb. I don't even know what I was doing there. Drop attempt. I died at the same spot. 25. Drop attempt. Drop attempt. Finally. God. Dash break. No, dude, no. I hate this stupid click. Drop down. Please. No, that part's broken. Drop attempt. Dash break. No, dude. Drop attempt. Stop there. Stop. Oh god. Drop 10. I'm done with this, dude. I can't. Drop attempt. 2 in a row, I think. You die at the dumbest spots. The dumbest spots. Drop it out. Let's go. Let's. Drop it out.